An improvement in joint function by nearly 7 points on the clinical osteoarthritis scale. This is the result of a comprehensive meta-analysis by researchers from the Mexican Social Security Institute, published in Clinical and Experimental Rheumatology. This shows us that certain collagen supplements can have a measurable effect on osteoarthritis symptoms. Let's look at how we can use this by understanding the two fundamentally different ways collagen works. For millions of us, joint pain from osteoarthritis is a daily reality. Treatment options are often limited. That's why the crucial question is, can we use the building blocks of our cartilage to support joint health from within? The answer depends on which collagen we are considering. There isn't just one type. We need to distinguish between two completely different approaches, the building block approach and the signaling approach. On one hand, we have hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides. Here, the collagen is broken down into small, bioactive fragments. On the other hand, there is native or undenatured type 2 collagen. Its structure remains intact and serves a completely different purpose. Let's take a closer look at the building block approach. Researchers found that the small collagen peptides cross the intestinal wall, accumulate in the blood, and travel specifically to the cartilage tissue. There, they don't just act as raw material, they signal our cartilage cells, the chondrocytes, to increase the production of new collagen and other important matrix components. This process has a direct stimulating and protective effect on the cartilage. The signaling approach of native type 2 collagen works completely differently and is particularly relevant for autoimmune joint diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. A landmark study, published in the renowned journal Science, provides the evidence for this. At Harvard Medical School, a randomized, double-blind trial with 60 patients suffering from severe active rheumatoid arthritis showed that the oral administration of native chicken type 2 collagen for 3 months significantly reduced the number of swollen and tender joints. 4 patients even achieved complete remission. This effect is based on the principle of oral tolerance. Our immune system in the gut recognizes the intact structure of the collagen. Instead of fighting it, it learns to no longer see the body's own joint cartilage collagen as an enemy. It calms the misguided immune reaction responsible for the inflammation and destruction in the joint. So it's not a building block, but a training signal for our immune system. So what does this mean for us in practice? The evidence suggests a clear strategy. For degenerative joint diseases like osteoarthritis, where the goal is to rebuild cartilage substance, hydrolyzed collagen is the logical approach. Meta-analyses confirm a mild to moderate but significant relief of pain and improvement in function here. For inflammatory, autoimmune joint diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, where we want to dampen the immune system's attack on the joints, native type 2 collagen is the scientifically sound choice. It's about addressing the cause of the inflammation, not just the symptoms. It's important to remain realistic. The effects, as the studies show, are moderate, not revolutionary. A large part of the research is also industry-associated, which we must keep a critical eye on. Nevertheless, the knowledge of these two different mechanisms gives us the opportunity to make an informed and targeted decision for our joint health, instead of relying on generic advertising promises. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.